You want to give it another try?
Leave it, kid. Can't you see he ain't got no skills with the bat?
Shut your damn trap, Ted. I was runner-up junior state champ.
Yeah, but that was like centuries ago.
Hey, less chatting, more batting.
Ready when you are. I love that sound! What did I tell you? Huh, kid? You just got your little white ass stomped. Who's your daddy?
I knew you could do it, Ned. I was just messing with you a little to get you hyped up.
I know, man, and I appreciate it. High five!
I only have one shot. I only have one. So, now that you got the hang of it, one more try?
Kid, we're working here.
Yeah, I can see that.
Come on, Ted. The kid just wants to see me swing the bat.
Yeah, and honestly, so do I. Come on, kid, launch one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Man, I think you hit a cat! Or was it a koala?
I don't know, but I know who's gonna give me a high five.
You sure do, bro!
I only have one. I don't think tasering cops is such a good idea. But how else am I gonna get out of here?
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a carton of milk and a bag of caramelized onion chips, please.
Right away, my friend. Wait a second. I don't sell that kind of stuff, do I?
Come on, take a look at this photo.
Why? Are you a cop? That stuff in the back is not mine.
Just look at the damn picture, Mel.
Hey, I know that guy.
Finally, some progress. Where do you know him from?
I think he was here a while ago. Yep, definitely.
Perfect. Did he buy anything? Did he say anything?
He bought the most powerful revolver there is. The Magnumatic 9000. And he said something about killing some Randal Hicks guy. Yep, that was it.
How could you not remember something like that?
But who is this Randal Hicks?
Did he say where he was going?
Well, I guess to that Randal guy's place, right? You know, to kill him. Right? I don't know, just a guess.
Hello, Randal. It's me, Matt. How's that ruin of my life thing working out for you? Well, it doesn't really matter anymore. I'll be dead by the time you read this. I admit we've had some great times together, even though you're an idiot. But you've always been my best friend. We've known each other since we were kids. We were inseparable. Then along came Sally, and things got even better. Until you decided to fuck everything up. What the hell happened, man? You used to be cool. P.S. I lied. I'm not dead. I'm waiting for you on the roof and I have a gun. Don't make me wait. I've got 6 of my little friends up here with me, and they're all much quicker than you.
Oh, thank God I found you. Please, Matt. I know what you must be thinking right now, but you gotta let me explain. Look, before you say anything, I am so sorry.
You're a fucking bastard! You stole Sally from me right in front of my eyes, and with my own ring! I'm gonna blow your fucking brains out.
Matt, it's not what you think. Don't do anything you might regret.
I don't think I'll have time to regret it. I'm gonna kill myself right after I kill you.
Oh.
Yeah. I can't handle the idea of seeing you two together. God, just the idea of it makes me sick.
Oh, Matt, come on. I know you, and if you're feeling nauseous, it's because you're drunk as hell. Why don't we just sit down and talk it out like a couple of buddies? You and me, 2 buddies.
Buddies? How fucking dare you? A buddy wouldn't do what you did to me. Never.
It wasn't me. I was possessed by an evil ectoplasmic being.
Randall, you can't use that same excuse for forgetting my birthday and stealing my girlfriend. God, you really do crawl along the bottom, don't you?
Oh, shit. Did I use that one already? Damn it. Well, you know what alcohol does to our brains.
No, dude. Throwing flower pots out of the window at people or traumatizing kids for the life is one thing. But stealing your best friend's girl? You're playing with people's feelings, Randall. Feelings! Do you know what those are?
Matt, you know I love you when you get drunk, but you know, I just found out you become really lame when you're drunk and heartbroken. Come on, Matt. You and I have been friends forever. Are we really gonna let some tramp ruin all that?
Don't call her a tramp.
I just meant...
I don't care what you meant. I don't want to know.
This isn't working. Think objectively. What do I gain by stealing Sally from you? Can't you see it makes no sense?
I can't think objectively right now. I just want to put an end to this once and for all.
Now, you're not being rational, Matt. You never are, but right now, I just need you to trust me.
Yeah, just like the blowtorch and the hairdryer prank, right?
Come on, I was possessed by an evil ectoplasmic being.
Sure you were.
Matt, don't do anything crazy.
Like what? Proposing to my girlfriend? Oh no, wait, I can't do that because my best friend did it first.
Come on, man. Help me help you.
You deserve a bullet in the kneecap for that sentence.
You're completely right. Thanks for not doing it, by the way.
You better not say anything like that again.
Matt, I swear, I don't want anything to do with Sally. Believe me.
Well, that's not what it looked like to me when you gave her my ring and proposed. And that was last night.
Dude, believe me. I'm your best friend.
Shut the fuck up. You fucked up, man. You really fucked up this time.
We all drank way too much last night, so why don't we just forget about it, huh?
I'll just shoot myself. It's the best way to forget. No, what am I saying? It'll be best if I shoot you.
Dude, I don't know what to say. I guess I drank too much and I pushed the joke way too far. I don't know. I don't even remember.
No, dude. I remember it as if it were yesterday. I can't forgive you. How do you expect me to be reasonable with someone like you?
Come Come on, Matt, listen to me. Let me explain, please.
No, I can't.
Come on, Matt, let's talk. We both need a little chit-chat. There'll be plenty of time to kill me later.
Oh, all right. Just say what you have to say.
This is all a joke.
You filthy liar! I saw everything with my own eyes.
Dude, I don't remember a thing about yesterday.
You proposed to Sally with my ring. Right in my face. And she said yes.
Yeah, I'm as freaked out as you are. I swear, I just want to fix all this.
And how are you gonna do that?
All right, you know what? I'm gonna get out of town for a while.
And what? Do you really think that your going out of town is gonna solve anything?
Honestly, I have no idea.
That's it?
Look, I wish there was something else I can say, but I've always really been bad at fixing things.
You know, Randall, all this shit fucking blows, but I believe you. So what now?
Well, for starters, how about we put that gun away? I swear, I don't want anything with Sally. You have my word.
Nah, fuck. I won't back out now. I started a mission, and I will finish it.
I'm tired of this shit. Do what you want. I pass.
Shut up, Randall. You're a real big mouth.
Come on, Matt. Relax. Everything's gonna be all right.
No!
I am not going anywhere till we sort things out.
Well, that won't be an issue once this gun's done its job.
Wow, that sounded like Eastwood with a touch of Bronson. Matt, you know how to demand respect. But I know how to multiply decimals.
Enough with the talking. Got any last words?
I have seen things you people wouldn't believe.
I can't do it. God damn it!
All right, come on, buddy. Put that thing away. Let's go have a nice little chit-chat. What? No, 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 no! This can't be happening! No!
Freeze! Don't you move a muscle, dirtbag. Now your ass belongs to me.
What the hell are you doing here? And why does everybody insult me whenever they're pointing a gun at me?
Randal Hicks, you're under arrest.
What? Why?
For the murder of Matthew Griffin. Or are you gonna deny it?
You know what? Do whatever you want.
The first day is the toughest, no doubts about it. When they put you in that cell, when those bars slam home, that's when you know it's for real. Old life blown away in the blink of an eye. Nothing left but all the time in the world to think about it. And a tape measure in your pocket.
Jail? Seriously? Oh, I hate life.
Holy Ulysses 31. Randal Hicks? You're still alive?
So it seems.
So, you're gonna be my cellmate, huh? This is amazing. The most famous prisoner in here, the one everybody's talking about, is none other than good old Randal Hicks. Man, we are gonna have a blast. You just wait.
Wait a second. How come I'm so famous?
Well, you know, because of what you did. You know.
No, I don't. So start talking, Charlie. I'm in no mood for riddles.
Oh, relax, man. Those are just rumors. Don't pay any attention to